My dear friend, I am Vijay Kumar. I am a author. I have written 11 books, none of them not fictitious, none of them is realistic. Both the admixture of the fictions or the realistic stories. And my main topic is the Islam. Now we will discuss or we will talk or the monologue about the war between the Hamas and the Israel. One Indian channel, that is Navhar Times channel, correspondents or the journalists on his channel are screaming with a stupidity that the holy month of Ramzan, Israel is doing the bombardment on the Hamas terrorist organization. This is not good. Why? Why this is not good? This is correct. This is corrective measure. This is a well-known problem, a well-known proverb in Hindi that जब लोहा गर्म हो तभी चोट करनी चाहिए. This is the realistic time to attack on the Hamas by the Jews or the Israel, not only the Israel, but all the people who are the human beings, really human beings, are having the human social etiquettes or social respect, the social civilization or respect to the whole human values or the humanity. Because in the Ramadan, these Islamic monasteries are on the fasting. They are on the fasting known as the Ramzan, the holy month of Ramzan according to Islam, but this is not the holy month according to the non-Muslims or the Kafirs. For instance, Jews, Hindus, and Christians. Because this holy month of the Muslims only for in this month, the Quran completed all the verses or the satanic verses of the Quran. Almost all the verses of the Quran are the satanic verses, because these verses are totally against the non-Muslims, and these verses are provoking the violence against the non-Muslim throughout the world since the inception of the Islam by so-called Prophet Muhammad in 610 AD when he was 40 years old. This is the stupidity, the double standard of the Islamic monasteries. One side they say that this is the month, our month is the holy month, that is the Ramadan. But my dear friend, you must know the Ramzan is the month of blood shedding or blood bath of the Jews, of the Meccans. When the so-called Prophet Muhammad, who was a regular robber or the professional robber or the killer of the non-Muslims, he tried to loot it or tried to rob the caravan of the Abu Sufyan, but he was unsuccessful. So some people of the Makkah went to the Medina to fight against the Muhammad, because he tried 3 times to rob the caravans of the Abu Sufyan. Though Abu Sufyan hails from the same place, that is Makkah, which place was the abode of the so-called Prophet Muhammad before migration to the Medina, known as the Hajrat or Hazrat. क्या बोलते हैं उसको, माइग्रेशन, हिजर और हजरत. So when the Meccans knew the fact that Abu Sufyan caravan is safe, and the Abu Sufyan caravan was not only one caravan, there is a lot of the caravans of the Abu Sufyan and his relatives and his kith and kins of the Makkah. They were the Jews. So when Makkans came to Medina, they knew that the Abu Sufyan Karma escaped from this so-called prophet, who is the professional robber. They were happy and tried to enjoy this event, and they diverted their intention to fight against the Muhammad, because there was no question arise now fight with the Muhammad. But when the companion of these Makkans went in search of the water, the Islamic monster captured them and denied to release them. This is why a war was engaged by so-called Prophet Muhammad, or this was the offensive war from the side of Muhammad. This was not the defensive war, because the Meccans were not engaged in any war. They are just celebrating that our leader Abu Sufyan escaped safely from this prophet so-called Muhammad bin Abdullah. So they tried to a feast in the name of escaping the caravans of the Meccan safely. But the Muhammad was not a good person. He captured two men of the Meccans, the Jews, Quraysh tribe, and killed them. After this war engaged with the Muhammad, and the Muhammad was the offender. And so many people were killed by this so-called Prophet Muhammad bin Abdullah without any cause. The innocent people were killed by this Muhammad. So Ramzan is a holy month to the Muslims, because they defeated the Abu Sufyan companions. Abu Sufyan was not involved directly, he was in Mecca. The companions of Abu Sufyan was defeated by so-called Islamic monsters and so-called Islamic prophet Muhammad bin Abdullah. And after that, a verse is sent down by Jibril, devil. After passing the month of Ramzan, kill the non-Muslim anywhere, whenever you found them, and take ambush against them and kill them. If they surrender to the Muslims, or surrender to the Iman, or surrender to the Muslims and converted into Islam, or converted as a Muslim, then leave them. Allah is very kindful and very great-hearted. So this is Ramzan month, is the pious or the holy month to the Muslims, because they killed so many non-Muslim or Jews throughout the world. At that time, not the throughout the world, but Medina. This is why there is no need to sympathy with these terrorist organization as Hamas, Houthi, and Hezbollah. Although a Muslim who is following the path of Islam and doing accordingly, he is a terrorist. The dedication to the Islam, or acting accordingly, or the deeds of the Islam, or the execution of Islamic Sunnat or teaching of the Muhammad is a terrorism. There is no need to differentiate the Islamic terrorism, because Islam itself a terrorism, and that terrorism is the terrorism. There is no need to good or bad terrorism. Terrorism always a ideology that is very, very fatal to the society or to the mankind. What is the terrorism? I have written a book, the terrorism. What is terrorism? I would like to say definition of the terrorism. Terrorism in the such type violence in which prime of the ethnic cleansing of any religion followers for spreading the religion of terrorists. By violence, though Hitler killed so many Jews due to their religion base, and in communist countries there were a lot of incidents for ethnic cleansing due to non-affirmativity of the communist with any religious group. But it is the only showmanship because in Russia, majority of the Christian, China has large population of Taoism, Buddhism, and other religious groups. Same practice in other communist countries. Terrorism prohibits the peaceful living of a particular group or many groups. The religious confrontation in prime cause of the terrorism. One cult says that we will go to heaven, while other cult say that only we will go to heaven. Nobody wants to go hell, but these people do not know that any person who believe in any cult or not believe, but he is doing the work in favor of humanity. Even he is atheist will go heaven if any heaven, and those who are killing to each other for their specific Allah certainly will go to hell. If the Almighty knows everything, you can say Allah is a God is a superpower to mankind. So this is such type of the terrorism is the such type of violence in which prime of ethnic cleansing of any religion followers for spreading the religion of the terrorist by violence. The religious confrontation, this is the terrorism. So Islam is a perfectly a terrorism. There is no need to differentiate the Islamic terrorism. If a Muslim is following the Islam as accordingly the teaching of the so-called Prophet Muhammad and doing the accordingly means he does the heinous crime against the non-Muslims, that is killings of the non-Muslims as Hindus, Jews, Christian in the name of the Islam. Because the prime education of Islam is a totally a terrorism. And so there no need to such people who are doing accordingly as the teaching or the sunnah of so-called Prophet Muhammad. So all the satanic verses which in Quran, not the verses, but the viruses, having the number 6666. These are the Quranic viruses which were sent down in this month of Ramzan. So this is not the holy month or the humanity, but the Ramzan is a unholy month or the filthy month of the non-Muslims. Because in this month, Quran sent about by so-called Jibril, the devil. I would like to say devil. He is not a angel. Because all the verses of Quran is like just like a devilish or the satanic verses. So Israel is doing accordingly as written in Bhagavad Gita. दुष्ट के साथ दुष्टता का व्यवहार करो. That the behave with the demons or the devils or the criminals as the requirement of to eliminate such type of the criminals or the ideology. So it is our duty, all the human beings, that we must eliminate such type of the peoples who are following the terrorism or the teaching of so-called Muhammad Prophet. The teaching of the Quran is a totally a terrorism. So many times in many verses it has been written that all the non-Muslims will be killed by the Muslims unless they leave their religions and adopt Islam or convert it as a Muslim. This is why there is no need to sympathy with all the Islamic followers and which are doing accordingly as written in the Islam, that is the kill the non-Muslims, robbery of the wealth of non-Muslims, kidnapping of the women as their dear prophet, not me, this prophet is dear. This prophet is unbear to us, unbear to all the non-Muslims. All the people which are doing accordingly, they are the terrorists. So Islamic teaching is a totally terrorism. There is no need to say, as Mr. Manoj Arya, Gaurav Arya, Major Saab always described the radical Islamist. No, there is a total Islamist, total follower the Islam. If they are doing accordingly, the heinous crime which were committed by so-called Prophet Muhammad are a terrorist. If they are a good person, they have relation with the Hindus or the non-Muslims, they are a good person. But according to Islamic jurisprudence or Islamic theology definition, they are not good people. They are not true. They are not true Muslim or the good Muslim. So a good person cannot be a true Muslim. A true Muslim cannot be a good Muslim. So read my this book, Black Dots of Terrorism by Vijay Kumar Pal. Second book, Paranoia of Occults in Indian Subcontinent, Vijay Kumar Pal. All the books, my 10 books are available on the Amazon, Flipkart or ebooks. You can also download these books with the half rate of these books on on the ebooks. Thank you very much. See you.